Hello guys, I'm here with an interesting video to share for you guys. By the way, the name is Abakar Bakari, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button which is down below this video in order to get notification about my videos. So today in this exciting video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can add thumbnails to your YouTube videos. If you watch some of my previous videos, I did a video on how you can create a thumbnail using thumbnail maker for YouTube video, but unfortunately I forgot to explain for you guys how you can add those thumbnails to your own YouTube videos. So in this exciting video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add thumbnails to your YouTube videos in this video. So the first thing you need to do now is to go to the Google Play Store and download the YouTube Studio app in the Google Play Store. YouTube Studio app, let me type it. This is the YouTube Studio app. So as you can see, I have it on my phone. So you go ahead and download the YouTube Studio app. So once you are done with the download, you click on the YouTube Studio app and open the YouTube Studio app. So this is the YouTube Studio app. You sign in, you put in your details. As you can see, I've already signed in. You put in your login details, your YouTube channel, your YouTube address. Once you put your YouTube address and your password, you will log in. So once you log in, you go to dashboard and click on dashboard. After you click on dashboard, you go to videos. So these are my videos. So I'm going to select the video that I want to apply thumbnail to. I'm going to select the video that I'll apply thumbnail to. I'm clicking on edit. You click on edit. So this is edit button. Then you click on it. After you click on it, you go to change. So after you click on change, you click on the picture that you want to apply on your video. So as you can see, I've added this picture. So I'll press select. Then I'm going to save it. So as you can see, it's pretty much easy to add thumbnail to your YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed this short video that I did for you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified about my recent videos. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye till we see in my next video.